What in cousin fucking tarnation? Alabama Betty Crocker?
Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper, ayy. Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper, ayy.
Yo, shit. Yo, my man. I gave you $20 for gas. What the fuck? Yo, what you do with my $20? I'm over there trying to pump 10, and you now all of a sudden you nodding over here. Yeah. Hey. Yo. This is the last time I come to put gas in the Bronx, yo. The fuck, yo. Wait. Yo, despiértate, estúpido. Yo, you alright?
He's about to ride the train with this shit. You know how niggas ride the train with bikes and shit? He about to ride the whole train with that. He about to ride the whole train with that.
Why?
And he got help now. Yo, he really about to get this whole shit on the train. Keep going, you got it. It's gonna go in there, yup. Only in New York. Get in. And people's helping. That's what's up. Thank you. Keep going. Oh, and everybody helping. See, that's New York right there. That's New York.
It's how you know who is and who isn't from New York. If they looked, they're not from New York.
Yo, shut the fuck up, nigga. Yo, suck my dick. Talk to my cousin, Deshaw. Playing with
W7, 2 or 3 here, the ACENQRS. Connect to Port Authority and you can get the bus. Take the shuttle train to Grand Central. It's a quick trip. And then you can transfer to the 456. The same shuttle train, if you take it across, is where you can get connected to the metro. This one train is local, but if you want express, I suggest you take the 2 or 3. That's probably the best.
Period. Mr. Conductor, you did that, Mr. Conductor. Yeah.